Combining industrial metal sofa designs with softer elements such as leather, velvet, and recycled fabrics captivates modern consumers with a striking juxtaposition of ruggedness and comfort. This union transforms a living space, creating a harmonious blend of functionality and inviting warmth. The structural design forms the foundation of this contrast, with the metal frame playing a pivotal role. Steel, with its polished or matte finishes and clean lines, lends a minimalist and modern edge, appealing to those with a penchant for sleek aesthetics. Iron, with its rustic texture, introduces warmth and character, while aluminum offers a lightweight, versatile alternative for spaces that demand functionality without compromising style. These metals not only enhance the sofa's visual appeal, but also subtly convey durability and stability, qualities that attract discerning buyers seeking lasting value. Leather is an ideal companion for industrial metals, as its rich texture and visual depth contrast beautifully with the frame's cool, smooth surface. Full-grain leather, celebrated for its natural imperfections, emphasizes authenticity and craftsmanship, adding a timeless quality to the design. Neutral tones such as tan, black, and deep brown align seamlessly with industrial themes, while bold hues like emerald green elevate the sofa to a statement piece. Incorporating tufted cushions or padded armrests soften the overall aesthetic, enhancing both comfort and approachability. By drawing attention to the leather's durability and its ability to develop a unique patina over time, the design speaks to those who value longevity and individuality in their furniture. Velvet injects a luxurious dimension into industrial designs. Its plush softens provide a stark yet appealing contrast to the rigid metal structure. Jewel tones like sapphire blue, ruby red, or amethyst purple exude sophistication, creating a sofa that serves as both a functional item and an artistic focal point. To avoid overpowering the industrial aesthetic, velvet can be applied judiciously, perhaps as seat cushions or decorative accents, ensuring the balance between opulence and restraint remains intact. This interplay creates visual tension, captivating the modern eye while maintaining a sense of coherence. Recycled fabrics expand the appeal of industrial sofas by marrying softness with sustainability. These materials, derived from repurposed textiles or recycled plastics, resonate with eco-conscious buyers who prioritize ethical consumption. Neutral palettes like gray, cream, and beige highlight the industrial frame, while bold patterns or texture weaves introduce a touch of personality. Sharing the origins of these fabrics, whether crafted from savage clothing or upcycled materials, adds an emotional layer, connecting the consumer to the story behind the sofa and reinforcing the product's uniqueness. Proportions and shapes amplify the harmony between industrial metal and softer elements. Clean, minimalist lines in the frame underline a contemporary sensibility, while rounded edges or subtly curved designs soften the starkness, adding an inviting elegance. Functional features such as modular configurations or reclining mechanisms enhance usability and address the diverse needs of modern lifestyles. This flexibility discreetly caters to individuals who prioritize adaptability in their furniture without sacrificing style. Design details enrich the overall narrative, weaving a sense of craftsmanship and intention into each piece. Exposed welding seams or rivets along the metal frame imbue the sofa with an artisanal quality, while polished finishes offer a refined aesthetic. Contrasting stitching on leather or fabric upholstery introduces visual intrigue, drawing attention to meticulous construction. Functional embellishments like integrated storage compartments or side tables provide added convenience, enhancing the sofa's appeal as a centerpiece in the home. Lighting and accessories play a complementary role in accentuating the beauty of industrial metal sofas. Strategically placed warm lighting, such as pendant fixtures or Edison-style bulbs, highlight the contrast between materials while creating a cozy atmosphere. Layering the sofa with throw pillows and blankets in coordinating textures and colors further softens its appearance, making the space more inviting. These elements subtly frame the sofa as both a design statement and a welcoming retreat. Effective marketing amplifies the allure of this harmonious combination, capturing the attention of modern consumers. High-quality photography, showcasing the textures and materials from the gleam of a polished metal frame to the tactile richness of leather or velvet, draws viewers into the story of the design. Style shot in urban lofts, minimalist interiors, or eclectic living rooms illustrate the versatility of the sofa, inviting potential buyers to envision it within their own spaces. Practical benefits also hold significant sway for buyers weighing functionality against aesthetics, emphasizing the durability of the metal frame, which provides stability for everyday use, position the sofa as a practical investment. Leather and recycled fabrics, resistant to wear and easy to maintain, appeal to families, pet owners, or those who value low-maintenance living. Highlighting these features discreetly addresses concerns about long-term value, reassuring buyers that the sofa is built to withstand the rigors of modern life. Testimonials from satisfied customers lend credibility to the brand and humanize its appeal. Personal stories illustrating how these sofas transform living spaces reinforce their versatility and charm. For example, a customer's praise for a velvet cushion sofa that became the centerpiece of their industrial-style living room creates a relatable and aspirational narrative. Visual content such as before and after room transformations or user-generated photos add authenticity, helping prospective buyers see the furniture potential in their homes. Sustainability emerges as a compelling narrative for modern consumers. By spotlighting eco-friendly practices such as sourcing recycled materials, minimizing waste during production, or employing energy-efficient techniques, the brand aligns itself with broader environmental values. Sharing metrics such as the reduction in carbon footprint achieved through using reclaimed fabrics or locally sourced metals reinforces the company's commitment to sustainability, appealing to buyers who prioritize conscious consumption. Customization enhances the emotional connection between the buyer and the product, allowing them to tailor the sofa to their exact preferences. Offering options for metal finishes such as brushed steel, antique bronze, or matte black, along with upholstery choices in various textures and colors, empowers buyers to create a piece that reflects their personal style. Personalization not only elevates the perceived value of the sofa, but also position it as a unique addition to the buyer's home. Collaborations with designers or artists introduce exclusivity, making industrial metal sofa stand out in a crowded market. Limited edition pieces featuring bespoke patterns, unexpected color pairings, or innovative design elements appeal to collectors and enthusiasts. Sharing the story behind these collaborations, whether through interviews, behind-the-scenes videos, or artistic showcases, captures the imagination of buyers seeking furniture with a distinctive identity. Educational content deepens customer appreciation for the craftsmanship behind industrial sofas. Through blog posts, videos, or social media campaigns, brands can demystify the design process, from welding and assembly to fabric selection and upholstery. For instance, a video showcasing the transformation of recycled materials into high-quality upholstery illustrates the innovation and effort involved, fostering a sense of respect for the product creation. Clear price positioning reinforces the sofa's value by linking its cost to tangible benefits such as premium materials, artisanal craftsmanship, and long-term durability. Side-by-side comparison with lower quality alternatives can illustrate how investing in a well-crafted sofa pays dividends over time. Highlighting features like warranties or guarantees further bolster buyers' confidence, framing the purchase as a worthwhile investment. Engaging with customers foster loyalty and build a community around the brand. Hosting design workshops, interactive social media discussions, or behind-the-scenes events invite buyers into the creative process, fostering a deeper connection. These interactions create a sense of belonging, positioning the sofa as more than furniture. It becomes a symbol of shared value and artistry. Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve, don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation.
Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.